So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will tell you how to download BlueStack in your computer or laptop system. And I will also tell you in this video how to download Android app and Android game from BlueStack in your computer or laptop system. So guys, if you watch this video fully, then you will understand everything. Because in this video I will tell you with very easy method that how to download and install BlueStack in your computer and how to use it. So guys, first of all you have to open any browser in your system. After opening browser you have to go to Google and click on search bar. Here you have to type Bluestacks. After writing this you have to press enter button from your computer. As soon as you press enter button, many websites will come in front of you. But you have to click on first website and open this website. As you click on this website and open this website, you will see this website look like this. So to download BlueStack, and you have to download BlueStack in your computer or laptop system. As soon as you click on this, you will see download process has started. After downloading, show in folder. Click on it. From here you will come to download folder. Here you will see BlueStack app. So you have to bring your mouse cursor on this app and right click on mouse. Click on run as administrator. Minimize all pages or cut all pages. And you have to come to home screen of your desktop. You have to keep in mind that you don't have to disconnect internet. You have to keep your internet connected. And after some time, you will see install now button. Click on it. And BlueStack installing process will start. And it will take some time to install. It will depend on your internet speed. That how fast your internet is working in your system. Till the time installing process will start, you have to wait. After installing of BlueStack, it will open in your computer system. Like this. Here you can see. We have to install Android app. To install Android app, simply click on Play Store. Click on Sign In. After clicking on Sign In, you will get this option. Here you have to fill your email ID and log in to Play Store. Click on Next. Here you have to enter password of this email ID. After login, you will get this look of Play Store. So you can download any app from here. If you want to search any app name, you have to click on search bar and you have to type any app name. Like I type me. After pressing enter button, you can see Battleground Mobile India app is here. After clicking on it, you can see install button. Simply click on install. After clicking on install, this app will be installed in your system. If you want to download any other app, simply click on search bar and type name of that app. After typing name, press enter button. After pressing enter button, you will get that app. You can download and install all those apps from here. Simply click on install. After clicking on install, this app will be installed in your system. So guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel. Powered by Dubverse. Bye bye and take care.